What's up guys? In this video, I'll tell you how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch. So, watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Let's go! So, when you're starting a channel, the biggest mistake everyone makes is they launch the channel with nothing on it or just one video. Don't do that, dude. Come on guys, think about it this way, right? Watch time matters, and so if you're telling people go watch this thing and there's nothing for them to watch or there's nothing for them to latch onto, you're telling YouTube this is a channel that isn't going to retain people very long. And so when we launch a channel, we launch it with 5 videos so that way people go on a significant watch time journey into the first week period, so that way it tells YouTube, wow, this is a great channel that's going to get people to watch and they're going to be really engaged, and it shows your audience that you're committed to it too. So don't launch with one video like most YouTubers do. Instead, launch with 5 videos, and on top of that, I'd say make sure those 5 videos are slightly different styles and formats while still keeping it related to your niche, so you can experiment with what resonates most and double down on it for your next 5 videos. When you're trying to get initial traffic, and a great way to get content that feeds into search traffic is to use Google Trends, and use it in a way that most people don't. So, go to trends.google.com, filter by YouTube search instead of web search, type in the words related to your niche and see which one is highest, and start making content around that first. And to make it even easier, TubeBuddy has a great tool which you could just plug in that shows your search volume, the competition for that search term, and the overall score for any search term right when you put it into YouTube, which can be super helpful in helping decide what to make content about to build your initial audience. Respect YouTube's community guidelines. YouTube has become very strict with its community guidelines and has been flagging channels and taking down videos that don't fit within the rules. This is because of the rising demographic of underage users and advertisers that don't want their ads to be seen next to inappropriate content. A recent study confirms that in 2022 alone, YouTube took down tens of millions of YouTube videos because they did not follow the community guidelines. Make sure that you read YouTube's community guidelines and stick to them, otherwise your videos will be flagged and taken off YouTube's recommendation feature, and multiple reports can also lead to your channel being blocked. It's okay to experiment. One of the advantages of having a smaller channel is the chance to experiment with videos. I have had plenty of flops on my channel, but also videos that performed pretty well. After that, why not throw experiment videos out? In my opinion, look around your niche and gather insights on videos that have performed well. You never know if one of those will manage to get the attention of YouTube's algorithm. I also personally use some money to play around with ads, and it helped me drive a decent amount of subscribers but not many views, and actually pushed my watch time average low. Say what you will about that information, but personally, I would do it again. Remember, it's not a full-time gig. YouTube seems like something that everyone could do, but only a very select few will ever make it a full-time gig. As you build your channel, you will feel burnt out, and that's okay. It's a long journey, and I realize that you should never feel pressure to treat it like a full-time job. It's a long journey, and you should always treat it like a side project. Too many creators want to make it big, but that's just not realistic. Set some low goals to start with and see how it goes. YouTube is a realm of abundant opportunity. With over 1 billion users, pretty much every target market imaginable has a presence on the massive video sharing platform. Targeting active users can be a challenge though. It is also difficult to generate visibility on a site that is constantly flooded with fresh content. That is why you need to have a solid growth plan for your channel. Here are a few steps you can follow. 1. Conduct market research to identify your fans. Understand your fans' lifestyles and habits, and in particular, why they watch your videos. Make sure you know what categories to upload your videos to in order to reach the right demographic. 2. Optimize your profile and channel branding. 3. Organize your channel using helpful sections. This makes it fast and easy for users to find videos that interest them. 4. Comment on recently uploaded videos which are similar to yours and getting a lot of attention from active users. 5. Collaborate with other YouTube users and make user-featured channels. 6. Ask for subscribers. Embed calls to action in your videos using annotations. YouTube success will not happen overnight. It can take many months of sustained effort to reach a level of visibility where you have a shot at going viral. Building a strong channel, however, gives you a core audience of dedicated subscribers. These devoted fans will tide you over and will help you spread the word. Who knows, eventually you could become the next PewDiePie.